Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys really getting tired when you wake up, you can follow this recipe to be fully energetic during your importing days. But you have to watch till the end because you can find lots of twist in the salad. I start to boil quinoa in cold waters. I cook for like 15 to 20 minutes, set aside as well. Hard boiled egg for like 10 to 12 minutes and set aside because I'm going to use egg yolk at the end. There will be two layers in this recipe, one from avocado and one from quinoa. For the avocado layers, I chop avocado and onion, season with salt, peppers, olive oil, lemon juice, and there you can find many recipe over the internet. It is matching kind of seed, like you can add anything like chickpea and any vegetables. Mostly people add cucumbers, anything you like whatever you like you can add it. Next layer is going to from quinoa. This layer is more important, combination of protein and fibers. I'm gonna add basil, hard-boiled egg white, salt, pepper. That's all. Like I just want to make super simple for this recipe because many people wants like plain breakfast. That's why I'm making. And my preparations is always Himalayan salt because at the breakfast it is not like sharp like table salt. That's why I'm using. And then I would have like more flavors when I am using like Himalayan salt. As you see, always first layer is important. I'm using quinoa in first layer because it can make strong base while plating. Second layer is avocado, finished with sprout. At the end of the plating, I love to decorate with egg yolk, which I separate it from egg white before. And then I want to clear you that I garnish with egg yolk because like all people loves good fat on the top of the protein. And at last I want to make a little bit creamy. It can be suitable for this salad. That's why like I add blue cheese and yogurt. Alright, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel if you want to see more interesting videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day.